Either how to install USPS mobile app. This is one of the most popular apps to track your deliveries and parcels. Obviously, it has over 1 million ratings. So you can just tap get, like usually as you install the apps. And it's quite handy, especially in the app, because it's just faster in the app. You can access all these popular USPS tools, calculate shipping prices, find a post office, look up a zip code, schedule next day pickup, request USPS to hold your mail. So all of these things, and then you can just open it up, and then you can track. Here you can just use a tracking number. Then there is informed delivery, buy stamps. You can also buy stamps from here. You can calculate prices, like calculate new price, destination, shipping from, shipping to, select shape, package shape, weight. So yeah, and then you just calculate the price, which is quite handy. Schedule pickup, click and ship, so I'll see all the locations. So super handy app, quite convenient, just very easy to use, so give it a try.